Hey guys, Jealousy Tech here, and today I'll be unboxing a new keyboard. I've got the K-Type mechanical keyboard made by Massdrop and Input Club. This is a 10 keyless layout keyboard with an aluminum frame, hot swappable switches, and a really nice RGB theme throughout. So let's go ahead and get started on this. Massdrop sent it a little earlier than expected, which is really great considering I really thought it was going to take a lot longer. So just got a little setup guide there. I'll worry about that later. The packaging feels pretty solid on this whole keyboard itself. So let's go ahead and unbox this. And wow, this is a lot shinier than I expected. I don't know if you can see the shine very well on camera, but this is crazy. Now for the switches, I did go ahead and get Halo True, a brand new switch type, so I'll play around with that in a second, but I wanted to admire this keyboard first. It's super shiny, so I'm really hoping that the RGB glow really shines through. As far as the rest of what's in the box goes, we've got a really nice feature here. Let me go ahead and take that out. This is a magnetic, it goes on the back, magnetic lift for you to have more of an angle when you type. Just pop it up on the back. You can remove it if you want, or have it stick right on there. That's pretty nice of them to have that featured. You got a switch puller, which is always nice to have if you don't have any already. And of course, USB Type-C connector to a USB 3.0. That's about it for the box. You got a nice little key puller here too. So let's go ahead and hear these brand new switches. Okay, and I'll go ahead and show you. I guess that's the color of this new Halo True switch. And let's go ahead and type with this. Oh yeah, this feels nice. With this keyboard, with the switch, they try to go for a top ray type switch. They're going for a smoother press, but still have that mechanical feel. And I have to say, the consistency with the key press is actually pretty spot on. So normally you have more of a resistance, more of a friction when you push down until you hit that breaking point. But with this, it's pretty silent. I would say it's even more silent than the brown switches that I have at work, but it still has that nice force feedback once you press down. It just feels like it pops right up. This feels nice, and it's pretty good as well. I'm gonna go ahead. That popped off here. I'm going to go ahead and compare this with some of the other keyboards, do a little sound test with these new switches, and then show off the RGB lighting, and then we'll call it a review. Alright, I went ahead and brought the mic down closer here. I've got over here a Corsair K95 with brown switches. And of course, I got the Halo True switches here. And then on the top here, I've got some blue switches from Razer a little while back, so some really clicky keys here. So for the sound comparison, I'll go ahead and start off with the new Massdrop keyboard. Compare that to the browns. Go back here. And of course, compare that to the blue switches. Now, of course, taking the blue switches out of here because those are really loud for what you get. I really like the sound of these Halo True switches against this aluminum backboard here. So I really like the sound of that as compared to the browns. You get more of a responsive, more of a kind of muted but solid noise from that. So I really like that. The force is similar to the browns, but I feel like there's more pushback at the very end as compared to just the browns. So more of a push up, more of a resistance bringing it up. But all in all, it feels pretty solid. Now let's go ahead and check out the RGB lighting. Alright guys, and here we go. I just got the default RGB setting right now. It just goes through the rainbow colors there. So I'll have to play around with that. It is customizable, but with the lights on, we still got a pretty nice RGB glow to it. The underside really sparkles with the aluminum display. I really like that. As you can see around the sides here, we do have RGB all around, which is nice. You can really tell where the LEDs are. I know there's some keyboards out there that more have a consistent glow across the bottom. And you also only have a little tiny bar as compared to the rest of the keyboard that they could have used. Again, I know there's other keyboards out there that have pretty much a pretty wide area that they actually glow. But let me go ahead and turn the lights off here. And there we go. This really stands out. Now, I'm not sure if this is the brightest that it gets, but it's still pretty damn bright, I would say. It's really got a nice glow to it. Again, what I really like about this is the fact that on the table you can see the RGB just because of the underglow there. And maybe that's all you need. Again, you can still tell where the LEDs are. Maybe not so much on camera, but you can definitely tell in person. But all in all, I would say this is a pretty good keyboard. I'm going to have to do some typing on it to actually to give my final verdict on whether or not I like these Halo keys. But yeah, if you guys picked up the Halo clears at all, or you really want some more sound tests on these Halo Trues, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, guys, I hope you enjoy this video, and feel free to subscribe if you like. Thank you.